How you guys doing? A little updated vid. It's P.miranda. She's laid her sack. She's laying a sack. She already laid the eggs. I'm catching in time. I don't have the light actually directly on her. It's actually pretty far away. Zoom feature. Not too much you can see, but she's in there. She laid it. Her butt's real tapered real good, so I got a Miranda sack. Just thought I'd do a little update. Basically, it's to document. It's like 113, I think. It's the date. Looking good, looking good. I got another female I bred too. She's ready to drop in. Formosa's webbing up her hide right now. Some pokies here. I wish you'd see her more. She's gorgeous. Real gorgeous. Hopefully it's good. Be nice. There we go. Zoom in a little bit. You see right down there is where she's coming. She's going to pull that up. There she goes. Yeah, light doesn't even bother her. There we go. She's going to start pulling the sack up. Alright guys, it's time to do a little David. Right on. Sweet. I just like to see what she's doing. She's getting ready to pull it up. Alright guys. You guys have a good one.